Down.
Hi beautiful, so today I'll tell you how to do the perfect glowy base which will complete your overall makeup look. And for that, the first thing I do is obviously tie my hair back with the bunny band, and then I moisturize my skin with a beauty oil, and it will do the work of priming as well as moisturizing. I'm using my Versali. This is a pretty nice oil for your skin, and then I massage it into my skin so that there is no over greasy texture left. And for the foundation, I will use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is a pretty good foundation for the price you pay. And even in foundation, I'll put 2 to 3 drops of oil. Now my skin is oily yet dehydrated. That's why I use this much of oil, else I get flakes on my skin. But if your skin is normal, then you don't have to add so much oil. Just on base for priming will work. And I will blend everything with the beauty blender. For concealing, I am taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Beige. Oops, this is nothing new. Spilling my makeup stuff is so like everyday routine of mine, and I'll apply it everywhere I want to conceal, basically under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, forehead, chin. Then again I'll blend out everything with my beauty blender. Now taking a liquid highlighter. This is the main technique of making your base looking super glowy and natural. I am taking this liquid highlighter by Cover FX, adding some oil, and this is in the shade Sunlight, and applying it on all the high points of my face. Because I have diluted it, it won't look very harsh or artificial. You'll see right now, like, oh my god, look at it. This is the reason that this highlighter is my all-time favorite. It gives so natural, so glowy look without making it look artificial. And now after this, I'll put this setting powder by RCMA No Color Powder everywhere. I don't want like glowy and shiny look, so I'll put it on all the places where I want that matte finish, under the eyes, on the corner of nose, on the lower jawline, and then blend out with the brush so that everything is balanced. And then with my Physician Formula Bronze Booster Bronzer, I'm going to contour my chubby cheeks, which really need to cut down. And then with my Milani Luminoso blush, I'll apply the blush on the apple of my cheeks and blending it backwards. This is such a beautiful blush. And finally, I'll seal the highlighter with my Wet n Wild highlighter, and this completes the look. But I forgot something, like always. I forgot the setting spray. I'll spray it on my face and let it dry, and after that it's done. You really like this short quick video, and if this was very helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next video.